We are on this sheet concatenate. Let me zoom in a bit. We have first name and last name and middle initials. And we want to combine all of them to create a full name. And do we have a function for that, combining different text of these cells together? Do we have a function for that, combining all the different text of these cells together to form a function? Yes. The function name is concatenate, equal concatenate, and you have an exclamation mark, and you might have guessed, okay, is this going to get retired? Yes, it is. And it means that do we have a new function concat? Well, not concat, we will talk about it. Concat is not an alternative for concatenate. There's a different function. So right now we want to use concatenate. I want to join the first name, last name, and middle initials together, but it doesn't work like that. This text, comma, and then I want what? Maybe I want to have a space. I put a space, comma, last name, or maybe middle initial, comma, space, comma, and then the last name. Press enter. You don't have it because space is a character, and want to put the character in double quotes. Here we go. In comma, I put a character in double quotes, and then I put a space there. And over here, we can see that. And over here. So we can join them together. There is another way we can use the ampersand to join them together. We can use equal this, and then ampersand in double quotes, space, double quotes, um, name, then again, and in double quotes, space, double quotes, ampersand, and last initial. I'll put a space here. Press enter. Same answer. We have combined. We can use concatenate. We can use ampersand. And you might say, okay, oh, so ampersand is the alternative for concatenate. Well, ampersand was always there. It's not replacing concatenate. You can use ampersand with anything. But there's a newer function. We will be talking about it in a while, in the next chapter. But we can use concatenate function to join different strings of the text together. Very powerful function, concatenate. This sheet, concat text join text split. Now, if I want to join all these texts together, I can use concatenate function, or I can use the ampersand as well. I can use concatenate, and here we go. I can uh, use this one, and then comma this, then comma this, then comma this, then comma this, and press enter. We'll have this number. And this is not a replacement of concatenate. This is called concat function. Instead of selecting them one by one, I can simply select all of them and press enter. Same idea. And we can get that. And we can also use the function called TEXTJOIN, which is actually an alternative for the concatenate function. So joining two texts together. So it starts with a delimiter. What is the delimiter? If we have a delimiter, we can use it. If we want to give a delimiter, we can give delimiter dash, comma, ignore empty cells, and I can ignore empty cells. The next parameter is ignore empty cells. Yes, I want to ignore that. And what are the text? Here it is the text. And we can get that. Now, if you want to use the concatenate function, I want to use maybe in double quotes, dash, in double quotes, comma, and let me copy this over here and over here and over here to get the same answer. And I think you gotta understand that, okay, I think this one is much better than this. Concat function is far more better than this, or TEXTJOIN is far more better than this. Concat function, however, doesn't allow you to put the dash into it, but it will simply join all the text strings together. And we have TEXTJOIN function. You can join all the text of strings of these texts together using a single delimiter. And now we are ignoring these blank cells, empty cells, and it will automatically fix it. Now, if I say I don't want to ignore empty cells, I want to apply the active cells. Like for example, here we have two dashes. So here we got one dash because we are ignoring the empty cell. If I choose not to ignore the empty cell, if I choose, okay, you take an action on this empty cell, include empty cell. So if I use 0, ignore empty cell, press enter, and copy this down, you will get two dashes. So available on these concatenate and TEXTJOIN functions. Almost both are similar, but I think you will get the same answer. But I think the typing, putting these dashes can cause more sometimes problem. And in this case, TEXTJOIN function is far more better than these concatenate functions. So TEXTJOIN function is an alternative to this concatenate function, and it's very, very powerful.